We're at the Stamford Grand here in Glenelg, Adelaide, to celebrate Paris's 21st birthday. Woo! Happy birthday, Paris! Alright, so we've checked in, we've put all our bags in, we're thinking about heading over to the pool. I'm just following Paris because she knows we're on camera. We're thinking about heading down to the pool. Just for a little look, see what it looks like, and then she's still cracking up. And then we need to head to Marion. I just need to pick up one last special thing, and then yeah, I'm not sure. We've got dinner booked in at 6. She's just running around everywhere. We've got dinner booked in at 6. What are we going to do in between?
We don't know.
Your guess is as good as mine. What do you think of the hallways, Paris? Getting hospital vibes. Paris is so keen to get to the pool. She's like running there. Outdoor pool. Oh, cool. Like indoor, outdoor. Oh, I thought it had a roof. No. Chilly.
So you got your towels here, pool towels, and then come out to the open area.
Like half indoor, half outdoor kind of pool. I hope it's full.
Even the Stamford Grand sign's missing the R. It's fallen off.
Look, the R's missing, and all I can picture is the R falling down. So, with our package that we've got a ticket, like a free car park for the night. So we're just lining up to get the ticket validated, so we can go in and out the car park. I think it's as many times as we want. Alright, we've just come back to the hotel after going to the shops. We went over to the local shops and just did a little bit of browsing. They've now turned on the red lights out the front of the building. It's gorgeous. All through the door. Mum's carrying all the waters, doing a very good job of that. Oops. Am I going to get out? Look at this, the sun is starting to set. Actually, it may have already just set. It is a very beautiful spot here at Glenelg. Hey, I didn't realise that they had shut the jetty. Looks like they're doing construction on the Glenelg jetty. I didn't know that. Alright, our room is just here. The first 2 rooms. How good's that? Okay, we need to get changed and ready for dinner. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Paris got some new boots. Yeah, look at them. So we're heading down for a dinner meal to celebrate Paris's 21st. Let's go. Hopefully they got a good meal because I am starving. Thanks. So with our winter indulgence package, they've got a limited menu, but he said it works as a $35 voucher. So pretty much you could just choose anything off the normal menu as long as it's $35. So entrees come out. We've got some garlic breads. Mum's got the cheesy garlic bread, whereas Paris and I just opted for the traditional garlic bread. Dad's on his way. He's going to be joining us after work, but it's taking a long time. We might have to order his meal and he just jumps in. No waiting around. The meals have just come out. We've got a Napolitana sauce with the pasta cube veg chucked in there as well. Paris and I got the beef, just as it is. I should have asked for no cheese. Whoopsie, never mind. Okay, so the StayCay has brought us to Cafe de Villiers. Paris has just had to go to dance, and while she's at dance, we've all jumped in the car to go and grab her a little Villiers treat. It's like a pastry, bakery goods restaurant that's open 24/7. It's pretty good. And guess what? Dad's on board now. Woo! So we're just driving back to the hotel. The beautiful red lights really make it look special at night, doesn't it? And the car park's so conveniently close. It's just this big, like, not double story, 5-story building. Boom, right there. Very cold out here. Very cold. But we're coming into the lobby. Oh, that's better. Nice and warm. And we're back. Here comes everyone. Alright, we've come in with the Villies bag. So we ended up getting 4 different treats that we thought we could split. Ugh, I just put my hand inside the box of one of them. So we've got the Kitchener bun, which is like a cinnamon donut with cream in the middle. This was donut of the month. It's Nutella. We've got Dad's finger bun. This one here is a strawberry sprinkled donut with cream in the middle. I don't even like Nutella, but I like that. It's like a chocolate donut. A few bed bugs.
When you put the torch on them, you can see a bit of movement.
But otherwise, you know, I don't think you'd even notice them.
No, they blend in.
Look at our morning light shining through the curtains. We're actually unable to get those curtains across. That's as close as it goes. So we've got some morning light coming through. Okay, morning.
Oh, what's the seaweed?
There's heaps of seaweed all washed up. Wow. Crazy times. We're gonna head down for breakfast. Right, so we're back at the promenade for brekkie. I think we're going for a buffet today.
Thank goodness Paris is having a birthday because it's a lovely excuse. This bacon and eggs breakfast this morning. Just wonderful.
So we've come down for buffet breakfast. We've got pastries over here, cereal station, pancake station, toast station. We've then got a fruits, hot food. It was actually a really good hot food selection. I've got a hot chocolate and coffee station. There's also a little barista selection. They've got a range of teas that you could choose from. Dad's just doing his quad stretches. Hamstrings, I should say. It was delicious. It was very nice. Oh, and you wanted to have a look at the ballrooms. Yes. Let's walk our way up. Look at these windows. It's a very nice facility, isn't it, Paris? Nice little lobby area. So beautiful. This is where we had our school functions. It's very beautiful, beautiful chandeliers.
We can break up into that 4 rooms.
Bye. Bye. Also, get yourself a metal hook because you can just hang things and let things dry. It's a no damage way. It's magnetic. So literally just unhook it, hook it up when you need it, and you can let things dry. You can hang dresses. It's so good. Alright, we've jumped on the tram. We're just going to cruise up and down at Jetty Road. So Stamford is that large building there. Boom, with the missing R that you would have seen from the pool deck. And we're just going to go for a little ride, see what shops there are along here. I just love that. Ding, ding. I'm pretty sure they have the good old classic Australian voice on here too. Like it reminded me of the Finding Nemo ride in Disneyland. There's the voice.
Exit on the left in the direction of travel. For your safety, please hold on at all times while the tram is moving.
Classic voice. That's the voice. So we've come to the tram stop at the edge of Brighton Road. Ready to head back up towards Stamford. We just really wanted to go for a bit of a strolling up and down Jetty Road, having a look at what's to offer. Alright, our next tram has arrived.
Short and sharp.
Short and sharp. Paris is out the door.
Let's go. I'm carrying Paris's balloons. Oh, so much going on. Alright, so we've come to TGI Fridays. The food is just starting to come out. We've got all the family here ready. Kiara's got her delicious chicken tenders. Now that looks really good. I went with the nachos. Got a little bit of avocado, sour cream. Paris burgers come out. Look at that. That looks great. A bacon cheeseburger with no bacon. Jeepers creepers. Look at that. Woohoo! Yeah! Hey! Wow, look at that. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Paris. Happy birthday to you. Woo!